How to pause or resume smart view mirror screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, tap on the Settings icon. Then we go down and tap on Connected Devices. And from here, go down, then tap on Smart View. Next, connect your TV with Smart View to start the mirror screen. And after that, you can see there is a floating Smart View button. So tap on the button here, and from here you can pause Smart View or you can resume. So once it is connected, you can pause. So if you go into settings, there are certain settings that will be available from this panel as well, such as changing the aspect ratio. Within this Smart View control panel, you can also turn on and turn off multi-view as well. But basically, that is how you can pause or resume Smart View by open up this floating Smart View button right here, and then tap on resume or pause Smart View on your TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.